So guys, we ate so good. We were just walking and we saw a restaurant, and it was a good choice because it was amazing. The food was so great and the waitress was really nice. So really recommend it. I don't know the name of it, but it is in the old town and it was just great. So now I just wanted to tell you that this is my intro because I don't know, I didn't have time today. We just were visiting the old town and the citadel and everything. We were just being tourists, you know, and I didn't have time. It happens sometimes. But tomorrow, I promise you, I'm going to make time a bit more for you to see me a bit more, to see me talking, because you saw me today. But I'm going to say a few words tomorrow, more than today. And I just wanted to tell you that this is not the first time we came here to Prague, but it's the first time I'm seeing so many people. It's just unbelievable. Yeah, but it's nice and the weather, it's fine. It's really okay for October. And I'm loving it. I'm loving it. This town, it's amazing. You really should see it. But you can see it through my vlog. I hope you're going to love it. And now I'm going to take you with me and I'm going to show you a bit more the old city, Prague, because it's wonderful. It's really, really wonderful. So I'll see you tomorrow. We're moving, it's about 10 a.m. and we're going someplace, but I don't know how it's called. I guess I'm going to find out a bit later. And I'm going to show you the view because it's spectacular. No idea where we are. I still have no idea where we're heading. We're going to see. So I just googled and we are in the park Chotkovi Sadi. That doesn't sound right, but it's the name of it, and we're heading towards this building. I don't know what it is, but I'm going to Google it. But first I want to show you something here. Check this out. Well, that was nice. I have no idea what that is. It's just, yeah, the whole video I'm not going to have any idea what I'm seeing. So, yeah. Now we're heading towards that building, I've said. And let's find out what that is, because it looks great. It looks nice. We're going to eat now. We have reservation in a restaurant here. It's called Nova, Pizza Nova, and I'll see you later. I just broke the bank at Sephora. It happens sometimes. Come with me. We're going into the old city, and we're going to visit some more. Today is the last day here. So guys, we just had our coffee break, and a funny story happened yesterday. We found an iPhone 8 and it was a struggle to find out whom it belonged to because it was secured, and long story short, we managed to do this after some hours, and it belongs to a schoolgirl from here, from Prague, and she's going to pick up her phone from our hotel. And it's great. We did a good deed and I'm happy about that. Yeah. So now we're going to go a bit more and just visit the old town because it's a lot to see. But we're quite tired and we're going to take a break soon, I think. We're going to go to our hotel and maybe just, relax. And later we're going to go and eat somewhere and I'm going to film some more. So come along. It started to rain and we're going now to our hotel and we're going to sleep because we are so tired. We ate amazingly good. So I'll see you tomorrow.